welcome to my drawing class, guys. I prefer calling it a drawing class to a YouTube channel because in this channel I break down tutorials to the level that all grades will learn, just the way a teacher ensures his students learn what they are teaching. So if you are new to this channel, don't forget to like and hit the subscribe button to join the future pro artists journey.
3, 2, 1.
So in this video, I will teach you the easiest way and secrets of achieving a smooth shading with pen, because it's something that has been working for me for many years.
Wow!
So before showing you how I shade with a person's face drawing, let's demonstrate it on these circles. I use hatching, cross hatching, scribbling and stripling shading techniques. The cross hatching technique is just by shading towards the same direction. You can always rotate your paper in a way that will favor you and make you feel comfortable, so that you don't destroy the shading that you have already made. Cross hatching is crossing the first hatching with another. It helps in the shadow areas. Scribbling is like shading in circles, but not really circles though. It's just like some C curves. Lest I forget, whenever you are shading any shading technique at all, always shade layer by layer. I recommend 3 to 4 layers for the darkest areas. Next, the stripping method is just by adding dots. Many people use this method alone in their entire works. Now that we all know the 4 shading techniques I use, let's see how we can apply it on a drawing. Okay guys, so we are gonna be practicing with this pencil sketch, and if you don't know how to get to this level, how to get the resemblance of someone, let me know in the comment section. We have a new video for it. So we will be using these 2 BIC pens and a tissue paper to blend. This first one with tape on it is for dark areas because the point is thick, and the second one is for light areas. I use it for shading the face, while the tissue paper is for blending. When I'm done hatching and cross hatching, I blend it. We start with the first layer, which is hatching. So when adding the first layer, which is hatching, don't force your pen on the paper. Understand? So you don't force your pen on the paper, and make sure that the lines are close to each other. Each stroke should be light and the lines should be close to each other. So when we are done the hatching, which is the first layer, the next is the second layer, which is also still the hatching. The only difference is that you add more pressure to the areas that you notice on your reference picture that they are dark. You add more pressure to it to give it more shape. Please comment how to draw and shade in the comment section. Let me know if you guys are up for this video and for the next one. Right, so this is where we're gonna need the tissue paper for blending. You just rub the paper on the surface of your artwork, leaving the highlights only. And cross hatch the work in order to close the lines we got from the hatches.